All right, so as he said, make sure that if you want your car done correctly, even if you don't bring it to him, which you should. All right, guys, so I'm at the detail lab with Trevor, and this is his portion of what we're doing to Darren's car. So we are going to get this thing all polished up and underdogged, right?
Yep.
Sweet.
We'll put the Pro on it. So first things first, we always do like a prep wash.
Right.
We always do the wheels first. On Darren's, he's already coated these wheels, so we'll probably just do like a little general cleaning on it real quick, and then we'll spray the body of the car down. He's already prepped this car before, and so are the boys over at New Image.
Right.
Because they've already done their full track pack on the car. So the whole front, the rockers, they've already got PPF on it. So really the bulk of our job today is gonna be like the roof, the doors, the rear quarters, the deck lid, and parts of the rear bumper.
Sure.
Because I don't know if you guys have seen it in the other video that Mike did. Darren did a pretty sweet little custom paint job on his rear bumper.
Oh, yeah.
So that's pretty sweet. So pretty easy work today. So the prep is just gonna be a little bit differently. We don't have to do a whole lot of crazy like claying or anything to it because Darren takes really good care of the car. The boys over at New Image have already cleaned it, but we have been on the road since then, so we might as just well do it anyways.
Sure. So we're going to get started, but as usual, if you guys live in the DFW and you need your car detailed,
One-stop shop.
one-stop shop, bring it to Trevor. He's in Frisco, Texas. He has an awesome shop, and he'll take great care of you. All right, folks, we are on the Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix Association, where you can now win a 2024 Corvette Z06 convertible with the Z07 performance package and $30,000. Now, because you are a Brink of Speed watcher, we are going to give you 40% more bonus entries when you enter here. Now, the best way to enter is to look in the description below where my link will be and in the pinned comment below. But when you click on one of these, you will see that the Brink 40 is already in there. Fill out all of your information, click continue, fill out the credit card information, and you will be all entered to win this beautiful Red Mist 2024 C8 Z06. Now, if you do not want the Z06, they will give you $110,000 cash, but I'm not sure who would want to not take the Z06. It is so gorgeous with the natural interior and that Z07 package. So good luck, everyone. I cannot wait to see who wins this car. All right, it's all prepped and ready to go now, Trevor.
Yep.
So the next step is to wipe it down, get it ready for the ceramic.
Are we gonna paint correct it?
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot about that.
Yeah.
See, I'm not the expert. He is.
Yeah. So I mean, Darren's already done a lot of his own like little polishing on it.
Sure.
So like with this particular color, we can kind of get away with a lot. There's not much on here. As you guys know, actually, you know, I can show you on this one. This is one I coated this morning.
Ooh, that's pretty.
I can show you some stuff where there's some factory defects. And look, like I was already adamant with the client, like he just wanted this thing washed, prepped, and coated. No paint correction done. He wanted the way it looked.
Yeah, I don't understand that, but I already saw it, yeah.
You see that right there? That
Yep.
big old circle?
Yeah, it's huge. Yep, you can see it right there, yeah.
So that is where there was a fisheye, and a fisheye is literally looks like this. It's where there's a nib in the paint. They sand the top of that down, and then that's what it's left with. That's a sanding mark. And you can see on there's, you know, this has got a couple of 100 miles on it, but it's got the little hairline scratches in it and stuff like that.
Yep.
But he was adamant that
There's
he
a big
didn't
one.
want to change any of this, so he just wanted it coated. So
that's how you're doing it. Yeah.
So those little sanding marks is what Cody and I are seeing on all these cars.
Right.
Black is more pronounced. You treat red just like you do black.
Sure.
It's basically the same. Where on this one, you know, it's gonna hide a lot of stuff, but there's still those marks on there. So what we're probably
There's one right there. Show them that.
Oh, yep, big one.
Yeah.
Right there. You see that big one?
Yeah.
There
Yeah,
you
you
go.
can see it perfect, just like that.
Yeah, so I mean, like, I get it that everyone wants to wax and ceramic coat their own thing, but like,
I don't get that.
no, like, I mean, like, you're locking that in. It's staying there.
Yeah.
You know, so like when you go to the car show and someone that knows what they're looking at sees that, they're gonna be like,
Right.
dude, you
Yeah.
know, like, that's why I'm adamant about, like, when I do these style jobs, like, I'll do it for you, but I really don't want to put my name on that.
And you really want people to know right off the bat, this is not the correct way to do things.
No, and like, I understand it that there's an additional fee for it, but at the same time, like, I want to deliver the best possible
right,
product
of
for you.
course.
And like, hey, if it doesn't fit in the budget, I know. And like, if you're adamantly just wanting the ceramic, we can do it. But when you're at the car show, just don't say that I did it.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, so what we'll do on this is we'll pretty much do a one-step correction, which is going to remove about 60 to 70% of the swirls and scratches that are on there. We're not going to have to really chase anything. So what you'll see me do, either in the time lapse or, you know, regular speed, is I'm going to move pretty quick on it because we don't have to spend a whole lot of time
Sure.
in a particular area. There's not big line straight scratches. They're not the teeny tiny ones from going through a car wash.
Right.
So it'll be pretty quick.
Cool. All right, so as he said, make sure that if you want your car done correctly, even if you don't bring it to him, which you should, make sure that these people understand that they need to do a paint correction. And you understand that you need to do a full paint correction before they lock in all of those scratches and scrapes. All right, guys, we are finished. It's all coated. It's all super shiny, as you see there. So I think Darren's going to be a happy customer. So again, give Trevor a call. You guys know he's up in Frisco. He's got this awesome detail lab, and he'll take great care of you.
Absolutely.
Anything you want to say?
We'll see you guys out on the road.
That's right. All right, you guys have a wonderful evening, and we'll see you guys out on the road.